like this. I forgot how the rest of that opening goes. Made up of over 300 islands, this South Pacific nation is home to under 1 million people. Very friendly people, great culture, good heritage. I don't know what else to say. This is my attempt at doing a globe trek at the beginning. Welcome to Fiji! And then we'll cut the footage of people dancing. Is that good? Can I be on the show now? Can I get paid to travel the world? You did for Bradley Cooper. I look just as good as him, don't I? I have the same hair that he had on the show. I'm willing to eat guinea pigs. Salamat datang Fiji. Welcome to Fiji. Yeah, Fiji. 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 Wasn't I saying it right? One of the things we're gonna do here is we're gonna drive around the island. I'm gonna get hit by a car standing here. Fiji, the main island we're on, only has one road basically, goes all the way around it. So we've rented a car. We're gonna stop a couple places along the way. We're gonna take our time and explore, all right? So, jump pergi. First part of driving done, which you saw already. We stopped now at a place called Nakatola Plaza in Los Angeles. What's it called? Anywho.
Natula?
Natula.